Okay students, till now we have completed exercise 2.2 of chapter 2, that is linear equations in one variable. Till now we have seen the equations where the variable is on one side while on another side there were only numbers. Now we are going to see the equations in which variable will be present on both the sides, that is in LHS also and in RHS also. Okay, now let us see how to solve such questions. See, the way to solve such questions is same as we have done earlier. Here first we have to bring the like terms on one side so that we can add or subtract them. Okay, now see in example number 1, they have given solve 2x minus 3 is equals to x plus 2. Here in this case we have to bring this x from this side to this side because 2x and x, these are like terms. Okay, while we have to transfer this minus 3 from this side to this side because it is constant and 2 is also constant. So by seeing that, let us solve this example. So here we can say that it will be 2x. By using transpose method we have to bring this x from this side to this side, so it will be 2x minus x. Rules will be same, as it is plus so it will be minus here, is equals to this plus 2 as it is, this minus 3 will go to this side as it is minus, so it will be plus on this side, so it will be 2 plus 3. So here 2x minus x, it is nothing but x, is equals to 3 plus 2 is 5. So this is the simpler one. So this is how we have solved this equation where variable is present on both the sides. This is one algebraic expression, this is another algebraic expression carrying variables and constant, and that is how we have to solve such example. Now let us solve another example, little bit complicated. Okay, now we have to solve the example, that is 5x plus 7 upon 2 is equals to 3 upon 2x minus 14. So here we will find that rationals are given, okay, or we can say fractions are there in this example. Now how to solve such examples? There are two ways. First way is that directly you transfer these like terms on same side. So 5x, so you can transfer this from this side to this side and you can take this to this side. Okay, and the simpler way is that first nullify the denominator. If you see on both the side denominator is same, so if we multiply with 2 on both the sides, let us see whether we reach to a simplified equation or not. Okay, so I am multiplying this side with 2, same way we have to multiply on right hand side also. Okay, because we have to maintain the balance of this equation. So I am multiplying this both the sides with 2. So 2 in bracket 5x plus 7 upon 2 is equals to 3 upon 2x minus 14. I am multiplying this with 2. Okay, now we have to open this bracket. So 2 into 5x, so it will be 5 to the 10, 10x plus, you have to consider the sign while multiplying, while opening the bracket. Now you can we see here 2 into 7 upon 2. For simplification I am writing here 2 into 7 upon 2 so that you can understand. Same way we have to open this bracket. So 3 upon 2x into 2. Okay, so it will be, can we say 3 upon 2x into 2 minus sign. See, you have to see this minus sign. So it will be minus 14 into 2. Okay, now can we cancel this 2 and this 2, and here also this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So what we'll get? We'll get 10x plus 7 is equals to 3x minus 14 to the 28. So here we have reached to an simplified equation, more simplified because here they have given fractions. Now we have reached to this stage, to this example. Now you can solve this. Take the like terms on one side, so we can say here 10x minus 3x is equals to minus 28 as it is. This plus 7 will go to that side to become minus 7. So 10x minus 3x, that is 7x, is equals to 28. Now here sign is same, so we have to add the numbers and give common sign. So it will be minus 35. So here can we say x is equals to minus 35 upon 7. this 7 will go here and divide. So that is 7 ones are and 7 fives are, and this minus sign as it is. So we can say that x is equals to minus 5. This is how we can solve this equation. The another method to solve such this is directly we can transfer this 7 upon 2 from this to this side and taking this 3 upon 2x from this side to this